Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Capcut project and confirming the clips you'll edit. Once done, tap the timeline to reveal the sequence settings icon, typically a gear or 3 dots. You want to set the aspect ratio first because it frames every clip, then confirm resolution and frame rate. Make sure to pick values that match your footage to avoid stretching or frame interpolation. These first steps establish the working canvas, so do them now and don't skip matching source and output. Next, change resolution and frame rate in sequence settings. You do this to control quality and playback smoothness. If your clips are high motion, select 60 FPS. For cinematic look, pick 24 FPS. This balances file size and style. Once the resolution is set, check frame blending or motion interpolation options, because enabling them can create smoother slow motion, but also artifacts. You then confirm color depth or stabilization defaults, to finish, apply the sequence changes and preview the timeline from start to finish so you catch framing or motion issues early. Once happy, export a short sample clip to verify resolution, aspect ratio, and frame rate actually wrote into the file. If something looks off, black bars, cropped edges, or judder, reset sequence to project defaults, re-import the source clips, and ensure clip properties match the timeline settings. If problems persist, restart Capcut. That clears cache and often fixes persistent mismatch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.